across Salt Ridge on a nice night. You'll see it get going here. Post. It actually looks worse in the camera than it does in the cab. I can see my next post real easy. The camera's not showing it real well. I love it. This is a big ridge I got across. Just a big open. I want to say it's about, if I remember right from snowmobiling up here, I want to say it's almost 10,000 feet right here. We got a post here. Okay, I lost it there for a second. We're back on it. Just rolling some snow in front of me. Got a little close to that one. And dragging it behind me. Rolling it creates moisture. Drag creates moisture when it cuts it and pulls real nice to drag. So then it gets real hard. So we like do this here, double pass this. So I know I got about 18 feet to work with. Because if you get this thing off the trail with its drag on it, it's not going far. Cat will go any place, but cat with a drag is a different story. Stressful, but not too bad. It's a good stress, works the mind. You know where this trail goes, so, and I'm pretty much following snowmobile tracks too. Yeah, not all the riders stay on the trail up here, but that's what it's all about, getting off, having fun. Bad night up here, from what I understand. They say we'll have nights up here where you got to sit 20 minutes and wait to see the next post. Got the windshield wipers on a little trigger on my handle. Turn them on manually too, but get sick of them windshield wipers, so yeah, just hit it a couple times. It's right on my pointer finger, just hit the back side of my pointer finger.